Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is Velvetlox coming back to you in the kitchen with an awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, for those of you who don't know what to make for a healthy meal, I have an awesome breakfast meal for you, as well as any time of the day if you choose. But this is going to be a ultimate healthy veggie omelet. So let me show you some of the wonderful ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need at least 6 eggs. You're also going to need some green onions. I have one that I chopped up already. And you can pretty much tweak this to your liking. I also got some parsley. I would say about a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Fresh parsley. I also got a teaspoon of my chili powder. And a pinch of pink Himalaya salt is in there as well. I also have my Hillshire Farm mesquite smoked turkey breast. Okay, this is ultra thin. And I took like 2 slices, and what I did was just pretty much just chop them up. Okay. I'm also going to be adding in some wonderful spinach, and I will be using my red and orange peppers. And what we're going to do to start this off is we're going to slice our peppers up into pieces like this. Okay, we're going to decore it and cut them into slices. Okay, so to start off, you're going to just go in by just carving out the core of your bell pepper. Okay, so you're just going to take the core out. Okay, and you could do the same for the bottom. Just cut a hole in the bottom of your bell pepper. Okay. Okay, and then you're just going to clean it out. Alright, take out all of the vines. So now we're going to just cut our bell peppers into slices. Okay, and then you're able to actually carve out all of the seeds. And your peppers should look like that. So I'm going to continue carving out the rest of my peppers, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now this is what your peppers should look like. Okay. Just like that. Alright, so now let's prepare our omelet. So we're going to take our eggs. And basically, we're just going to be using the white of the eggs. So you're going to crack your eggs and only take out the white. Okay, so I am back, and I have my egg white inside my bowl. Next, I'm just going to add in the ingredients. I'm going to add in my green onion. Okay. I'm going to add in my teaspoon of parsley flakes. Going to add in my chili peppers and my dash of salt, pink Himalaya salt, and I'm also going to add in my ham slices. Before adding this in, I just want to mince up my spinach, so I'm just going to chop this up real fine. And now I'm just going to add that in my bowl as well. Okay, and next I'm just going to beat this up. Now, depending on the amount of people that you're serving, you can use more eggs. Okay, so now let's put this on the side and prepare the grill. So we are back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my stovetop grill, and I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of my PAM. Okay, and I'm just heating it up right now. So what I'm going to start off doing is just placing my peppers on my grill, and what you can do is place your peppers in a pan. And I'm just going to skew them on each side first. This is keto friendly, vegan friendly, a delicious, healthy veggie omelet. Alright, so I'm just going to allow this to cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over on the other side and do the same on that side. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pouring in my fillings, okay, my omelet ingredient. So you use a spoon and you just carefully fill it. Okay, you guys, and there you go, your morning veggie omelet. This is a wonderful, healthy meal for you, also for your family if you have kids. This is a nice way to start your morning, a healthy meal, delicious, you guys, okay? And it's within your weight loss journey, okay? Healthy, low calories, delicious, ketos friendly as well, all right? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see more meal ideas, let me know and I'll have a video out for you, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.